class record is 211. Entry name is Richie Nielsen and Deeley with Matthew Deeley driving.
$200 Club!
Nice to meet you here.
211.35!
211?
211.35!
211?
211.35.
That's not a record.
It doesn't matter. You went over 200,
That's
brother.
not
200 Club.
Wait, they said 214. Are you sure it's 211?
Game day.
Hey.
Any updates on charge, like how that went or anything?
It is topped out. Topped out on the 12 volt, topped out on the high voltage. We are running for a record, so we've gone squeezed every last selector on it.
Gonna get it today?
Next up, motorcycle 2655. You're going to need some earplugs for this one because it's got a big motor in this one. It's going to be a little loud, so be careful there. His tuck is incredible. This is a San Diego Roasters Club entry, and I do joke that is a Omega class motorcycle running electric. I believe he's using a Tesla motor, I think, 2009 vintage. And the way they go, with Matthew behind the controls on this, the class record is 211.73. See how Matthew does on this run. One of the sponsors being Revolt. Bike number 2655 on electric sewing machine through the record, through the traps, getting a record at 214.
Yeah!
214.034 for bike number 2655 and Omega class electric. Congratulations, Matthew. Take it to Impound, sir. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, he got it.
I had no.
Woohoo!
I'll be honest with you. I thought he was going to go faster.
Research on that.
Yeah.
I think that's the fastest
That's
electric on the dirt currently. Yeah.
Fastest electric on the dirt.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yep.
Ever.
Oh, fastest electric dirt motorcycle.
Are you? No, we're coming down right now.
I have to keep that one in the memory bank for a bit.
Yeah, we're on our way down. We're in the van.
Not bad.
All right, thanks. See ya.
Just different tuning, guys. It's still a motor. Still requires timing. Still requires fuel, which is your battery.
That's three in the books. 4 for all of us.
Yeah, 3 for Matt.
Here we go. Up next, truck number 2321. Brick Casper and the blown gas mini pickup. Blown gas modified mini pickup, of course.
So you get out and say, hey, good try, man. There's always next time. Take her out.
Yeah, totally.
Modified pickup.
212, yeah. 212.
Well, 212 was the record out here.
So
215.
it's 211.35.
211.35.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Let's get that 200-mile-an-hour class minimum. Let's go Dodge pickup.
Dude, he got his hat, bro.
Is that a
Yeah,
200
red
mile an hour
hat. Red hat.
Red hat Matt.
No longer the Wheeling
So tell him,
Welshman.
yeah, no longer the Wheeling Welshman, now Red Hat Matt.
167.9
Dude, that's flying, man. He's been good. Bonneville's going to be way faster.
200 club! Best to meet you here. 211.35. 211? 211.35. 211?
211.35.
That's not a record.
It doesn't matter. You went over 200,
That's
brother.
not 200 club. Wait, they said 214. Are you sure it's 211?
Red Hat Club, baby.
You're with me, right?
211.35.
What time did they call on the radio?
211.35.
The guys just told me 214.
They're lying to you. Dude, congratulations.
Wait.
214.
Okay. Yeah, I thought we were gonna have to do that again.
You are the fastest dude out here ever.
Dude, not by much. We gotta change the gearing. It stops, but it says 211. That's why I was so like, because it was 211 on the gauge, and it held 211 all the way through the tracks, full throttle. That's the first time I found the throttle stop.
So then when we said 211, you're like, it was 211?
They're right.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I was like, hitch me up, go and get the charger, we're going again.
Dude, you got it, brother.
Yeah. Woo, go on, get it.
The Wheeling. Hey, I'm telling you,
baby.
there is nothing we can't do.
You've been waiting for a couple years for this one.
Yeah,
man.
a little bit, dude.
He worked his ass off. He worked his ass off.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my God, what a crew. Dude, we made this happen.
Dude,
I just did this.
214. So you're saying that was she's topped out at 215.
It might pull, you know,
So
as the battery's come temperature, I think we need lower gearing. I've made all the notes to the camp. I should turn that off, eh? I've yelled out all the notes, what voltages we were at, and what temperatures and all the rest of it.
How the battery feel?
Great. I mean, plus my temperatures is not like ambient, yeah. Let's get the impound.
Let's get the impound.
Let's get the impound.
Dude, Maddie, you made it, brother. I was a little worried about the wind, but
It was a little bit pushy, but man, the surface was so good. There was a big
Right.
hump at the start, but
what do you say to
it was
Maddie?
fine. Thank you. You know you will.
Good morning, dude. We got some good news for you.
Yeah, what is that?
214, baby.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Pass or second pass?
First pass. He got the record.
Right on, dude. Right on.
Yep. Hey, Kent, thank you so much, man.
Was that Ken?
Yeah, it's Kent.
Hey Ken, dude, that bike runs sweet.
We're going to impound right now. You're the first person I called.
Hey, right on, right on. Well, don't stop there. Make another one.
I think we're gonna call it. We're gonna.
We gotta re-gear.
Yeah, he's got to re-gear it. He was wide open towards the end, so.
Oh, okay, cool.
But
Okay, well, yeah. On, dude. Congratulations.
thank you, Kent, dude. You've been awesome, rock star. We love it, dude. We're gonna get you a cool video out of this one too.
Okay, sounds good, buddy. All right, congratulations, guys. Have fun.
All right, take care, Kent. See ya.
See you, bye.
That was awesome. So that was the owner of the bike, Kent Ritchie's. He let us borrow the bike, and he ran it at Bonneville, and out here he's got tons and tons of time on that bike. So it's really cool to kind of go, hey man, this is your creativity, and a lot of his engineering went into that bike. He built that bike in what? 9 days. 9 days. Him and Randy built that bike, and Randy and those guys know their stuff. I mean, they are like, well, obviously we got a record out of it. So all we changed is the batteries, rebuilt the bike, and here we are with a record. Awesome, man. Good times. You got your Hoogerhyde.
Here's Hoogerhyde.
Running? Oh, here we go.
Yeah!
How about them electric boys?
Congratulations.
Hey, right back at you, brother. Good job.
My fucking record, you little.
You took my record. That's the guy. Yeah, so Randy just broke his record. So he's happy because now he gets to go try beat Maddie's record.
Yeah, there's a time limit to getting back, and this bike takes a while to line up. It takes a while to load up, and we were taking our time kind of getting back, and it sounds like we almost ran out of time. We got to get 30 minutes if you're not back in impound. 30 minutes after you go through the traps, no record. So I think we got back in time. So we get to see what else we forgot, missed, didn't do. So the record ain't official yet. Not official till it's been gone over and they make sure we've crossed our T's and dotted our I's. So we'll see. I don't just wear this every day.
Yeah, you do.
I got a different set of leather pants for the other days. That's down here?
Yeah, just sign in, put the date there.
Right. And the date is the 9th.
All right. You're going to get all this on your own.
Is it official?
Pretty dang fast. Yeah. 214 miles an hour on batteries. Come on.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Good job, Maddie.
Thank you.
You bet.
Put the event on. Thanks for all the help. Thank you, Danny. I'll shake your hand, but you're holding the camera.
None.
Woo!
It's official.
Yep.
All the Energizer bunnies in the world.
There you go.
You gotta
So this
make a
goes
motion.
with the rest of them on that fender, or does that have to go on the frame?
So you can put that on the bodywork or any place you want to do it. It's up to you. There you
Yeah.
go. Helmet, sticker, whatever.
Thank you.
I put that on your helmet.
Yeah, let me see that sticker.
Well, that helmet's probably getting close to the end of its life by now.
El Mirage.
Nice.
Dude, took a bike out of a museum, made it go faster than 7 guns.
Isn't that rad?
Pretty
Good
cool.
feeling, isn't it?
Pretty cool.
There you go.
Get the hell out of
I
here.
take my panties off and throw them at you, but
You're not wearing the lacy ones today?
might be important. That's your record.
All right, so Maddie, today we went to Bonneville and you broke a world record on something very similar to this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then today we're out here at El Mirage. What did you do today?
Broke the record for modified production. Nope. For special construction, partial streamliner,
What was your
electric.
speed?
Speed was 214.
214.
Oh, fuck it. For the record, I absolutely did not know that was coming.
Yeah. That's alcohol abuse, man.
Almond champagne.
Tastes like victory. Get some.
Here's your first drink. You earned it, my friend.
Cheers. Cheers.